This is an overview of a general wastewater treatment system that you would find in many industrial plants today. Here we're separating out the solid material that will settle to the bottom as sludge, and the rest of the pre-treated liquid goes off back into the city sewer water. The headworks is a group of processes that removes large debris and heavier inorganic particles from the incoming wastewater flow. Water arrives at the plant mostly by gravity. Depending on local geography, it may need to be pumped or lifted into the wastewater plant. In this case, the existing vault holds all influent and is transferred by these dual sump pumps. The process continues by sending wastewater through a set of coarse screens to remove heavier, inorganic, gritty particles like sand, silt, clay, coffee grounds, eggshells, and so forth, while allowing lighter organic material to pass through. Once the wastewater passes through the coarse screen and into the sump tank, it's pumped to the EQ tank. The EQ tank serves as the first conditioning step, where incoming wastewater is collected to balance fluctuations in flow and contaminant strength before downstream treatment. A dedicated mix pump continuously recirculates the tank contents to keep solids suspended and ensure uniform water quality throughout the basin. Within this tank, the pH control system automatically adjusts the wastewater to the desired set point by dosing acid or caustic based on real-time feedback from a pH probe. As the mix pump circulates the water, the chemicals are rapidly dispersed, allowing the entire tank volume to reach a consistent and stable pH. From the EQ tank, conditioned wastewater is conveyed to the dissolved air flotation system by a transfer pump that delivers a steady, controlled flow to the treatment process. At this stage, the chemical feed station introduces coagulant and flocculant to enhance separation efficiency. The coagulant works by neutralizing the electrical charges on fine suspended particles, allowing them to come together and form microflocks. The flocculant then acts as a bridging agent, binding these smaller flocks into larger, heavier solids that are more easily separated. This significantly improves liquid-solid separation performance in the DAF system, resulting in a cleaner effluent and more concentrated sludge. The wastewater first enters the pipe flocculator, where the chemically pre-treated stream is combined with aerated recycle water generated by a regenerative turbine pump. This system produces extremely fine air bubbles in the 20-30 micron range, which attach to the particles and reduce their effective density. The air-laden mixture then flows into the unit for separation. Heavier inorganic or dense solids settle to the bottom and are periodically drained by an AOD pump to a solids holding tank to maintain a clean separation zone. Particles with attached air bubbles rapidly rise to the surface, forming a floating sludge layer that is continuously removed by a mechanical rake and directed into a sludge hopper, which also get transferred in the solids tank. The clarified water flows beneath the separation zone into the clear well effluent compartment. From there, the treated effluent is gravity fed to the POTW, where it is conveyed for final treatment and discharge. Thank you.